Hello and thanks for checking out the Money Tube. In today's free guide giveaway, grab this free ebook on 50 crypto mistakes to avoid. See the download link below. If you're beginning, you're likely eager to trade. I get it, really, but don't rush it. Take a little bit of time to develop a basic cryptocurrency trading strategy and to educate yourself. Do you know the basics of blockchain technology and Bitcoin? Do you know what circulating versus total supply means? Do you understand what inflation is? Do you know about exchanges, wallets, private keys, and public keys? If you can't answer these basic questions, you'll be in trouble quick enough. Take some time to prepare yourself. It's essential. In this free guide, you'll learn about these common mistakes. You forget about the fees when buying or selling cryptos. You don't understand tax implications. You think cryptocurrencies are like stocks? Poorly done crypto research, not understanding the math, not properly using wallets. Your security is garbage. You follow shills and crowds, fear of missing out, and much more. This is a complete PDF ebook guide and 100% free. Check out the direct download link below in video description. No sign-up required, no upsells, no strings attached. Thanks for viewing. Please subscribe to the Money Tube channel for more free money-making content. Thanks again for viewing, and happy money making.